Hey guys, Meteorologist Chris Tomer here. Let's talk some mountain weather. First off, this is a live view up at Loveland Ski Area. Still seeing some light snow come down, low visibility up there at Loveland. So this was the first of three storm systems. This is the same one. This cold front came out of the Wasatch where it dropped about 4 inches of snow today up at Alta. So this will quickly move through Colorado tonight, be gone basically tomorrow. Then we're on for two additional storm systems. So we'll be talking about that in this update. Here are my bullet points for this. So the big California trough still directing atmospheric traffic. It's really dictating how everything moves, and the contributions that are coming out, the ejections of energy coming out of California are combining with these cold fronts. So it's going to do that for one more storm, and then by the time we get to the third storm, it'll have no interaction with it. It'll be long gone by then. So there are 3 chances of snow for Utah and Colorado. The first one's happening today. It happened today in Utah. And then the next one is probably afternoon, evening of the 18th through the morning of the 20th, and then another storm, 11:23, somewhere in there, 11:24. Colorado, similar. We're seeing the snow today, very light, 1 to 3 in most places, 1 to 3 inches. And then another shot, afternoon, evening, 11:18 through 11:20, and then another storm around 11:23 and 11:24. Let me take you back and show you what this looks like. Water vapor satellite imagery here. So oranges and reds are drier air aloft, whereas the whites and the blues represent your moisture aloft. Let me show you the big traffic director. Here it is, this low, and it's a giant trough. So everything's sort of being steered around it. It's also sending out energy out ahead of it. Let me show you how this is elongated, and this jet just coming down like this and sending that moisture out ahead of it. So there is going to be some additional energy. Today's front is right here, cutting through. So it combined with some moisture from that California trough. The next cold front's up here, so it'll come down, take a similar track, and combine with the remnants of this low pressure. So this first cold front that moved through today is small. The second storm will be larger. The third one will probably be similar to that in size. Let me show you what this is going to look like. Forecast radar satellite, current state of affairs. Right there. By the time we get in tomorrow morning, everything clears. Waiting on the next storm in California. Here it comes. It will take a southern track. Stop it right here. Saturday, 4:15. So the low's taking a southern track across the southern tier towards the Four Corners. At the same time, you've got a cold front and storm coming into the Pacific Northwest. Eventually, the two will merge, and more widespread snow will occur. Watch this. Over the Intermountain West. So by the time we get to Sunday at 6, we've got snow in Idaho, Nevada, the Wasatch is developing in the Tetons, and also in Colorado. And here you go. It's in full swing by Sunday afternoon. In Colorado, it's snow for all the zones. Now, along the Front Range, it's rain showers. If you run into anything, it's rain showers below 6,000 feet on Sunday. By the time we get into Monday morning, still a lot of rain showers below 6,000 across the Front Range of Colorado, but you will run into snow above 6,000. So over the Palmer Divide, the foothills, and above that. So that's the way that plays out. That's Monday morning on the 20th. Snow's coming to an end in the Wasatch, and the storm will then slowly clear out of Colorado by afternoon and evening. Beyond this, third storm comes in around the 23rd. It's going to swing out of the north, out of the Pacific Northwest in Canada, and then come down south through. It's going to come through Wyoming, Utah, and Colorado, Montana, likely as well. Let me talk about some jet dynamics here just a little bit. So this is Jet 1. This is on the 19th, valid 19th, late in the day. Super amplified, way up, bridging up into the BC area. So all the energy dumps down through Montana, Wyoming, Utah, and Colorado. Maybe we spin up that low over the eastern plains of Colorado at some point. But that's the way it looks on the 19th. Jet number 2, this is the third storm system. 23rd, you can see the dip in the jet, that short wave coming across. Now it's trending a little bit stronger. So that will dump snow over Idaho, Utah, Wyoming, Colorado, and probably Montana. So we've got a nice lineup here. Let me show you the totals. This is through the 21st, looking at over a foot for Alta and Snowbird. I had 15 inches this morning in my morning update. I'm going to go 17 now. Again, this takes us all the way through the 21st. In Colorado, 2 to 10 inches. Somewhere right in there. Okay, here's period 2. This storm has been trending a little stronger, this third storm around the 23rd, 24th, and this is a span of time between the 22nd and 25th. but we're looking at anywhere from 5 to potentially 10 inches for the Wasatch. Those numbers could certainly go up depending on the track of this front. Probably 8 to 12, maybe a little bit more up there in the Tetons. Colorado, another 4 to 10 on the way, and this one may snow across Denver in the Front Range. It's colder. It's going to be a lot colder. This could set us up for a cold Thanksgiving across Denver. So there you go, guys. Always appreciate you tuning in here. Take care. Until next time.